Hi, Type 3. You're the achiever. You probably know that success and reaching your goals are at the core of who you are. Thank you for taking the time to answer all those questions. Believe me, this was a huge first step toward a journey of deep self-knowledge. So let's talk about what it really means to be an Enneagram 3. You're kind of a big deal. Picture this. You're at a work meeting, and there's that one person who's already presented the perfect PowerPoint, hit all their quarterly goals, and somehow managed to fit in a triathlon over the weekend. Yeah, that's probably you. You're the one who seems to do it all and look great while doing it. As a Type 3, you're driven, ambitious, and let's be real, you're a master of getting things done. You probably have a to-do list with items already crossed off because you're that efficient. Whether it's in your career, your personal life, or even your side hustle, you're always striving for excellence and aiming for that next big achievement. It's like you've got this internal scoreboard that's always ticking. 3s thrive on productivity. You're the one setting new personal bests, constantly improving your skills, and pushing for success in everything you touch. But sometimes you get caught up in the image of success, making it hard to slow down or show vulnerability. So now, let's get to the heart of what drives you. At your core, your biggest fear is feeling worthless or failing to make a mark. You want to be valuable, admired, and seen as someone who is winning at life. Your core desire? Being successful and recognized for it. Let's be honest, Type 3 thrives in the spotlight, and there's nothing wrong with that. You work hard, so why shouldn't people notice? But here's the catch, and you might already know this. Sometimes the need to succeed can make it hard for you to slow down or even let people see the real you. You're so focused on being the best that you might find yourself wearing different masks for different situations, just to make sure you're always seen as competent or impressive. When you're in a good place, you're absolutely killing it. You're confident, charismatic, and inspiring to everyone around you. But when stress creeps in, it's easy to start feeling like your worth is tied to your achievements. And how does that pressure feel? Yeah, it can be exhausting. So, what's the growth path for a Type 3? It's shifting from proving your worth to owning it. Your achievements are impressive, but they're not the whole story. Real strength comes from allowing people to see the person behind the performance. Slowing down doesn't mean losing momentum. It means building success that's sustainable, authentic, and deeply fulfilling. And here's the truth. When you show up as your real self, your impact only grows. On this page, you'll find more insights into your Type 3 patterns. And if you want a deeper, more personalized breakdown of your results, your premium personalized report gives you that edge. It's a powerful next step in mastering your full potential. Remember, it's okay to take breaks and not always be chasing the next goal. Rest is productive too. You don't need to be on 24/7 to be valuable. Your worth isn't tied to how much you can achieve, it's in who you are. So next time you're tempted to throw on your superhero cape and crush another goal, remember, it's okay to slow down, be present, and enjoy the moment. You're incredible, whether you're in the spotlight or not. Our personalized report helps you better understand yourself and improve the aspects of your personality that hold you back from being your best. The Enneagram test is a powerful tool for improving your relationships and connecting with others. Share it with your family, friends, and colleagues. See you next time, Achiever. You're doing great, but you already knew that, didn't you? Good luck.